All right, here we go. We got another hot water pump test. Means the temperature's got to be up to 208 Fahrenheit. I've just filled to the max line with hot water. Now I'm going to use the machine to bring up to temperature. So we're going to go in the kettle mode, heat water, 208. Start. All right, as you can see, we're already at 162. And you might want to skip ahead till we get to the 208. It shouldn't take too long, but I know how exciting this can be. Almost there. All right, so we made it to 208. I'm going to the home mode, hitting settings, operation mode. Nope, get that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, here we go. Water pump test. Start. And of course we're getting just a little bit of fog on the lens from the steam. All right. Finished. And as you can see, it says we have over 600 milliliters of water, which was the full line on the kettle.